Welcome back to the channel. Today I am very excited to bring to y'all this extremely clean, beautiful Cobalt 25sc. And anybody knows about Bowriders know that Cobalt makes an absolute beautiful luxury product. This is a luxury Bowrider. They have Kevlar reinforced hulls with a bow swim ladder so you can board on either side, and they have a patent swim platform, a swim step, which I will show y'all as we go along. This boat in particular has a Yamaha 300 with about 200 hours on it, so it has not been used very much, and this is the patented swim step. So let me pull it down and then I'll pick the camera back up. So this is Cobalt's patented swim step. If you do have an inboard Cobalt, then this swim step goes across the entire transom, but obviously with the outboard, it's not going to be there. So this drops down below the water line, so it's easy to step on and climb into the boat versus a swim ladder. And you can also sit there and have your own little beach on the back of your boat. Stepping up onto the transom, you do have a mount here for either a table on the transom, or you can put one of those poles there to pull tubers and give you plenty of clearance above your outboard motor there. This does lift up. You do have a nice large storage bay here with some netting up top for some additional storage there, but plenty of storage in this cargo bay here. And obviously you have a nice sun bench just above that cargo bay storage. Have some extra additional storage here, but we're going to step into the cockpit, have some additional seating here. All of the cushions are on a hinge, so you don't have any loose cushions running around this boat. And you have a nice cooler there and a little bit of additional storage, stainless steel cup holders. But flipping back to the transom, the sun bench does fold back like that into some transom seating, and then as you can see here, you can sit back here. Nice cockpit table here, beautiful teak wood. All right, so lifting that table up out of the way, that is the bracket there. You just slide the pedestal in there. Quick and easy, but this slides open for additional storage as well as access to your battery switches. As you can see, it is nice and deep. Finished fiberglass all the way throughout. And you can flip this seat back here and turn this into a sun bench as well, or some additional seating for your co-captain here, as well as an additional cooler. I want to show you how beautiful this upholstery is. Hopefully it's coming through. And it is in great condition. It's kind of this cream color that matches the baby blue and gray. I think it looks fantastic. Something else Cobalt is known for is they do have an all glass cockpit. So you have two Garmin GPS maps here that also have all your engine instrumentation on them. Like I said, the engine has about 200 hours on it. Very easy to read, simple dash on the helm. You have your bilge pump, interior lights, docking lights, horn, swim platform lights, anchor lights, navigation lights, and accessories. Your trim tabs here, as well as your radio controls there. And there is your Yamaha shifter. A little bit of additional storage, leather here, and you can fully close this off. So this door here and one latch down here swings this door out like so, and then you lock it in right here. Quick and easy. And then the windshield flips down like this. You also have a ski locker here, because it wouldn't be a Bowrider if you weren't pulling somebody wakeboarding or water skiing. So just also additional storage, but you can fit a full set of skis down there. And moving over to the port side of the boat real quick, you do have a nice dry stack, a little dry box storage here, and some outlets back there. Hopefully that comes through on camera. And then, you guessed it, this is a nice size head. And we'll just take a quick look around in here. So your family will have a place to use the bathroom while you're out on the water. I know that's very important when you're looking for a family boat. And you have a nice little reading light there to give you some light in here. All right, let's move up to the bow. This is where the fun happens, especially on a Bowrider. People in this market, this right here is where the money is at. All right, walking through the windshield, you have cushions that can drop in here, but each one of these are open. So if you do want to sit here, you can sit here like a regular chair, prop your feet up, or turn it into a sun bench with the cushion that goes all the way across. JL audio speakers continue, premium interior, beautiful leather all the way around. This comes out if you don't want people stepping on your cushions while they're swimming off the bow. And you actually have a full storage locker up here below those cushions there on the bow, as well as some LED accent lighting. And while I was putting these cushions back, I did notice that you do have some extra USB plugs up here so you can charge your phone up. And let me pan back so you can see that these seats do have little armrests. Okay, so here on the starboard side, the seat does lift up, giving you additional storage. And like I said, there are the fill-ins there underneath these life vests. Rope to pull your tubes and your skiers. So, like I said, plenty of storage on this boat. And these seats are premium, very comfortable to sit on. They feel great, they look great. And Cobalt really knows how to make a boat. They did get bought by Malibu, but Malibu also makes a fantastic ski boat. So I absolutely would not worry about that. And like I said, you have a bow swim ladder here and a bow wash down there, so you can wash yourself down after coming into the boat. You don't want to get it all sandy and muddy, but you can board the boat from the front, which is really nice. Like I said, you do have Seadek on all walkable surfaces here with the Cobalt branding, and you can use this as a diving platform, swim platform. And yeah, I think that's going to do it. This is the Cobalt. This is a 2018 Cobalt 25sc. Let me know down in the comments what you like about this boat, what you don't like about this boat. Subscribe if you made it this far, and I will see y'all in the next one. We have a very exciting boat for our next video. Hopefully it will be going out 1 week from today, and that is going to be the Jeanneau Leader 33. It's an awesome little express cruiser with Volvo diesels in it, which is not very common. So subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.